Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Has Plans. In today's video, I thought I would do a final recap of the HanCanPlan Advent Calendar for 2022. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so what I thought I would do is just a recap of everything. Christmas is upon us, and so by the time this goes up, it'll be sometime probably in early January. I thought I would go ahead and let's just go through each of these. I started posting each day on my Instagram, but it just got so much between this calendar and the Fern Creek Stickers calendar that I purchased. I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna wait. I'm looking at what I got each day because it was just such a fun little surprise. But I'm going to do a recap for you all here today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull all of these out and we'll start going through them. Okay, so day one, and I love that she numbered the days up here on the sheet so I can remember, is this great, like a journal deco page here. I love the torn washi. Look at how cute this is. This is going to be great for spring. We've got some days of the week with date dots, cute little flags here, and some arrows. So there's day one. And then let's look at day two. Great functional boxes, some fun little arrows. I love this box here. It's kind of like a flag sticky note type thing. So cute. Totally goes with the color scheme here. And then day three. Washi. Oh, look at this box. I love this box here. Some days of the week, some to-dos, this cute little sticky, and some scripts there. So let's see, I think maybe I'll just kind of like start laying these out. Hopefully you can see a little bit of them still, and we'll just kind of keep going. So look at number 4. Day 4 has a sheet A and a sheet B. These are months, and then there's holidays. So January has all of these fun holidays in it, and then February, I think, yeah, President's Day, I think it reads down this way, March, and then we've got April, May, June. These are great for, I think, not just regular planners, but for those of you that are bullet journalers or, you know, work in a journal book. Here's July. This is day 5A. So July through September, and then October, November, and December. These are so cute, and I love this font. World Kindness Day, Thanksgiving, how cute. Okay, so let's see, I'm gonna keep moving these a little bit. Day 6, we have days of the week in 2 different fonts. This is cute. So let's see, we've got Monday through Sunday, so 2 sets, so 2 weeks in each column, so 2, 4, 6, 8 weeks total. Again, like I said, great for those of you that are more in like a bullet journal style. Here's day 7. Oh, look, we're kind of coming into more of a tropical summery theme here. So this is the same kind of layout, so the same format as day 1, but we're starting a new kit. So this is really cute because it looks like you kind of got 3 sheets make up a kit here. How fun is that? And then I've got my months and days of the week, and then we're starting here like another pattern on day 7. So day 8, oh, here's that same sheet 2 kind of, with the boxes. Day 9, that same 3rd sheet with all the washi, these fun boxes here. So we've got kind of 2 kits there. I hope you can see this so you can kind of see the 2 patterns. And then let's see, day 10, there's a B and an A. Oh, so these are all months of the year. Oh, and look at all these weekend banners. How fun is that? So that's kind of more functional general type of stickers. Oh, fun weather. Look at the cute snowman, right? Sun rays, clouds, so that's kind of more general. Day 12, ooh, more functional. Flags, dots, hearts. Cute. We'll put that there. Day 13, look. Another kit. This is kind of very summery, but sort of more like some autumn colors, like August. This thing makes me think of August. So there's that one. That same sheet with all of the functional boxes and the icon arrows. And then this one here, day 15, is that sheet 3 with the washi, the fun boxes, and some scripts. I love all the to-dos. So look at that. There's 3 kits so far here that we've put together. And then, oh, headers. This is great. Projects, gift list, recipes, mood tracker, passwords. Oh, I love this one. Cleaning list, books read, monthly task, bucket list. So great general functional things. This is day 17. Oh, look at how cute all these emojis. All the little faces and their moods. Oh, I love this one. How funny. Okay, we'll put that there, kind of on the functional side. Day 18. Oh, time stickers. How fun, and like a rainbow of colors. You know, I love time stickers. So let's see, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So these are the hours. And then we have some more here. So 1 through 12 in this color block, 1 through 12 in this color block, etc. And then this color block, and then all of these across. How fun. Okay, so that's with the functional. And then day 19. Oh, look at these cleaning icons. These are fun because, you know, you can take your markers and color them in too if you wanted to color them to kind of match whatever theme you might have going on. I love the canister vacuum. How fun. Towels, clothespins, the mop. This is really fun. Okay, so more functional things. Day 20. Oh, this is going to be perfect for my vision board. I had not done one for 2022 and I really kind of missed it. So I want to do one again for 2023, and this is perfect. I can add this to some stickers that I already have from Planner Kate. So we'll put that there. This is day 21, friends. Oh, these are fun. Some stars. Let's see, these look like you could use these as like a rating system or even a tracking system. Fun banners. I love all these to-dos. How cute are these? And then these are fun little boxes. You could use them on the side or vertically. I love this. This is super cute. I've not seen this kind of flag before. That's fun. Okay, day 22. Fun, functional. So they're simple and just colors, but they're fun boxes. These are cute. I love this little oval ring. Little tags. Okay. Day 23. Oh, this is pretty. How sweet is this? I love this kind of pale mauve color. So that's kind of that sheet 1 of the various kits here that we have going. Day 24. Sheet 2. I'm calling it anyway, with all of the fun flag and functional boxes. And then the last but not least, Christmas Day, the 25th, the washi. Oh, this is really sweet. Look at that. Okay, wow, this is really generous. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 kits with 3 sheets each. Again, sort of the journaling page, functional type boxes, and then washi. So I've got 4 different kits here that I could use throughout the year. They're kind of tie into various seasons of the year, I think. And then look at all these fun functional things. I love all the colors in this. The cleaning, the moods, the headers, all of the months of the year. So fun. Lots of days of the week. Oh my gosh, friends. This has really been just a bounty of stickers. I'm doing this again next year. I love this. This was so much fun. Alrighty, friends. I think that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you missed out on the HanCanPlan Advent Calendar for this year, make it a point. Don't miss out next year. This is really, really fun. Alrighty, friends. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.